How to copy a page to another site on Wix. So here from the home screen of Wix, I've just clicked on Edit Site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. Now right here from the left corner or from the left hand side, we want to click on Pages and Menu. And just simply choose the page which you would like to copy. For example, I will get this About Me page. So I'll just click on the three dots right here next to it. And then we will select the option to copy. Now you can enter another website on Wix, for example, which you have created. I will not do that, but the process of pasting this page is the same. So we will click on Pages and Menu here from the Wix website editor, then scroll down a little bit, click on an empty slot and paste the page right here through this way. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.